Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 from Economics People as Resource. People as resource refers to country's population with their skills and their ability. Uh, Human capital. In this chapter, we will see people is remain only a resource, but if it get training, medical care, education, health, it become the human capital, which contribute to the increase country's GNP or GDP. We can see that human is remain only a resource if he is not educated, he is not healthy, but if he get education, he get training, he get healthcare facility, then he become the human capital, which contribute to increase the country's income. You can see the example. This is only human resource, but when she get education, training, health, skill, she become the human capital. In this way, we can say that health, training, education is investment which provide higher income in future. It give higher return just like physical capital like land. जिस तरह से लैंड पे हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और वो हायर प्रोडक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड करती है, सेम वैसे ही अगर ह्यूमन के ऊपर भी इन्वेस्ट किया जाए, उसके हेल्थ, उसके एजुकेशन, उसके ट्रेनिंग के फॉर्म में, तो वो फ्यूचर में हायर इनकम के रूप में अपनी फैमिली को बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है. Human capital is more important because it utilizes other resources like land. Without human capital, there is no importance of any resource. To understand the human capital, we can take an example from the story of Sakal and Vilas. First of all, we take the example of Sakal. Sakal is 12-year-old boy. His father name is Bhuta and his mother name is Sheila. They decide to educate his children. They take loan from loan for provide computer course to Sakal. Sakal is also very interested in education. He completed his computer course and get job. His parents proud of him. He also get a job. He also got a job in a private firm. He also design a software which provide him promotion. So we can see that good education and training provide high productivity high productivity of Sakal's family. Now we look the story of Vilas. Vilas' father is a fisherman. He passed away in his early age. His mother, Geeta, sold fish to earn money. She could earn 20 to 30 rupees only. Vilas became the patient of arthritis. His mother could not afford to take him to doctor. He could not go to school. His mother fell sick. Vilas also forced to sell fish and earn a little. तो सेम कंडीशन जो है, जिस तरह की कंडीशन उसकी मदर की थी, सेम कंडीशन जो है वो विलास को जो है वो फेस करनी पड़ी. हमने देखा कि विलास की जो मदर थी वो खुद पुअर थी और उसने उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया, उसको एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं की और उसको अच्छी हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं की. तो हमने क्या देखा कि उसको भी जो है फिश सेल करने पे मजबूर होना पड़ा. तो both two stories what tell about. So Sakal went to school and Vilas did not. Sakal was physically strong and healthy. Vilas was patient of arthritis. Sakal acquired a degree in computer and got job in private firm, while Vilas continued with the same work and got little income. So we can see that Sakal was well trained, good education, he get good education or good medical care or provide a good earning to his family. While we see that the villas which no get any training, no he not get any education, no medical care, or he don't provide any financial help to his family. So in this way we can see that if we invest on any human via education, medical care, he give high rate of return in future, same as investment in land. We can see the example of जापान. जापान जो है वो वेल डेवलप्ड कंट्री है. You know, Japan have not any resources, but he spent his money on education and healthcare facility, and he get high productivity. We all know that Japan is a well developed country.